Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Laboratory Cognizance, where we make science simple and exciting. Today, we're diving into a must-have tool for any laboratory, the pH meter. Ever wondered how chemists or biologists get precise measurements of acidity or alkalinity? Well, the pH meter is their go-to gadget. So let's break down its working principle, main components, and some surprising applications. A pH meter is an electronic instrument used to measure a solution's pH level, or acidity and alkalinity. This value ranges from 0 to 14, where 7 is neutral. Numbers below 7 indicate acidity and above 7 indicate alkalinity. But unlike those color-changing litmus papers, a pH meter provides highly precise quantitative results, essential for serious science. A pH meter operates on an electrochemical principle. It uses two electrodes, a measuring electrode and a reference electrode, to create a small electric current that changes based on the hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. Dipping these electrodes into a sample creates a voltage that the meter translates into a pH value. This process is made possible by a thin glass membrane on the measuring electrode, which is sensitive to hydrogen ions. In simple terms, it's all about how electrical potential differences are affected by ion concentrations. Firstly, we have the measuring electrode. This is where the magic happens. It's sensitive to hydrogen ions and gives us that all-important pH reading. Next, we have the reference electrode. This acts as a stable point of comparison for the measuring electrode, ensuring accurate readings by maintaining a constant potential. Then, we have the display screen where the pH value appears in real time. Some advanced pH meters even come with digital displays, temperature adjustments, and calibration features to ensure pinpoint accuracy. Finally, there's the temperature sensor. Temperature can influence pH readings, so most modern pH meters come equipped with this sensor to adjust the readings based on the sample's temperature. This feature keeps measurements precise and reliable. pH meters aren't just confined to chemistry labs, they're everywhere. In environmental science, pH meters monitor soil and water quality, crucial for understanding ecosystem health. They're also big in the food industry. Ever wondered how food companies ensure that products like cheese or yogurt are safe and consistent? They rely on pH meters to measure acidity levels that influence flavor, texture, and safety. Next, we have the pharmaceutical and cosmetic industries. pH plays a vital role in creating safe, effective, and stable products, from medicines to skin creams. Each product needs a specific pH balance to work correctly and stay safe for use. And of course, in biological labs, pH meters help control the acidity of cell cultures and other sensitive reactions that require exact pH levels. First, always calibrate your pH meter before each use. This ensures the readings are precise. You can calibrate it using standard buffer solutions, typically at pH 4, 7, and 10. Second, make sure to rinse the electrodes with distilled water after each use to prevent contamination. Finally, if your pH meter has a temperature sensor, don't forget to account for temperature changes. It can make a difference in accuracy. And that's a wrap on pH meters. Today, we explored their working principle, major components, and the wide range of applications across industries. These meters might be small, but they're incredibly powerful tools in science and industry. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who loves science. And comment below with what other lab tools or techniques you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the wonders of science with us.